This is Arav. Like millions of Gen Z and Millennials, he recently entered the world of crypto. Excited, but slightly unsure. One day, Arav sends crypto from his wallet. He clicks send, sees the coins leave, and expects them to arrive instantly. But seconds turn into minutes. The balance hasn't changed, no notification, no explanation. And that's when panic hits. Did the crypto disappear? Was it hacked? Did he make a mistake? What Arav doesn't know yet is this. Every crypto transaction leaves a trail, and that trail lives on the blockchain. The blockchain is like a public record book. Every transaction is written into blocks that cannot be changed. There's no bank manager here, no customer support desk. The network itself keeps the record. And here's the key idea. This record is public. Anyone, anywhere can verify what happened. But raw blockchain data is complex. Without the right tool, it's like staring at code without knowing the language. This is where blockchain explorers come in. Think of them as Google, but for crypto transactions. Each blockchain has its own explorer. Bitcoin has one, Ethereum has another. You just need the right one. Explorers allow you to search using three things: a wallet address, a block number, or a transaction hash. That long, random-looking string your wallet shows after sending crypto, that's your transaction hash, your receipt. Arav copies the transaction hash and pastes it into the Blockchain Explorer's search bar. Instantly, the transaction details appear. No guessing, no waiting for support. The first thing he checks is the status. Pending means it's still processing. Confirmed means it's complete. Each new block added to the chain counts as a confirmation. More confirmations mean more security. Next, Arav sees the sender address and the receiver address. The transaction path is fully transparent. He can also see exactly how much crypto was sent and how much was paid as network fees. The timestamp shows when the transaction was broadcast and when it was confirmed. And just like that, the fear disappears. The crypto was never lost. It was simply being verified. In that moment, Arav levels up. He no longer trusts blindly, he verifies. Now he uses explorers to track exchange withdrawals, confirm payments, and even monitor large wallet movements. And most importantly, blockchain explorers protect him from scams, fake claims, and misinformation. This is the real power of crypto. Not secrecy, but transparency. Once you learn to read the blockchain, you stop guessing and start knowing.